welcome back to Pretty DIYs. In today's video, I will be participating in the Thursday Thrift Flip, and the hosts are the Rusted Willow and Southern Gmore Girls. So stay tuned and see what I have planned for this video. Also, check out the playlist. It's going to be down in the description box, so you can check out all the other creators' videos, and also the hosts' YouTube channels will also be in the description box. So stay tuned. In today's video, I'm going to be making over this basket. I'll be spray painting it with a nice pretty color and giving it a new look. So stay tuned to see how it turns out.
Cross my heart, I never meant to hurt you, but now you're slipping through my fingers as the darkness in me lingers. Was praying for possibilities, lately got the best of me, yeah. You got the best of me, embracing our insecurities. Better to cry and set us free, yeah. Oh no. We're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I. You and I. I've done my part, no reason left to keep you. Let the thought of us wither. Nothing left but all our pictures. Was praying for possibilities, lately you got the best of me, yeah. Yeah. We're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I. You and I. Cross my heart, I never meant to hurt you, but now you're slipping through my fingers as the bad inside me lingers. Oh no. We're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I. You and I.
I'm just doing the finishing touches on this bow and I'll be finished. Let me know in the comments if you like this DIY. Also hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.